Okay, students, now the next concept is asexual reproduction. It is not sexual reproduction, asexual reproduction. Reproduction by single organism. No involvement of two parents, male and female, father and mother. Only one parent can give rise to its next generation, its offsprings, and that concept comes under asexual reproduction. For your study, these are the different methods. Okay, fission, fragmentation, regeneration, budding, and spore formation. Let us study one by one. Let's have a quick revision of this. First, fission. Fission means splitting. You can see it in case of amoeba. Generally, we call it as binary fission. Suppose this is an amoeba. This is an amoeba. Okay. Slowly, amoeba split into two. You can imagine somewhat like this. This nucleus will also split and totally they divide into two amoeba. See, this is called as fission. Even you can see it in case of bacteria also. This is fission. One parent split into two. That is fission. Second is fragmentation. As the name tells, fragmentation means a small part of that, okay, may remove it off or it may break into pieces. Okay, as in case of some algae like Spirogyra. Okay, it's an algae. In this case, algae is filamentous. We know algae is filamentous. Okay, if any part is cut, okay, now this fragment, this cut part, okay, it can develop into one more individual algae. That concept is fragmentation. Next, coming to regeneration. Regeneration is somewhat similar to fragmentation, observed in case of some of the lower group of animals. I will take example of flatworm, Platyhelminthes, flatworm, that is planaria. Planaria. Okay, planaria will be somewhat like this. Somewhat like this, planaria. Okay, this planaria, suppose if you cut them into say 10 pieces, you cut them into 10 pieces, then each piece will develop into one planaria. 10 pieces means you will get 10 new planaria, new individual. That is called regeneration. That concept is regeneration. Budding. Budding we can see in case of Hydra. Budding we can see in case of Hydra. Now see, imagine this is Hydra. These are the tentacles. Okay, this is Hydra. Okay, mother Hydra or parent Hydra. It will get a bud somewhat like this. One small bud formation take place. Slowly that bud develops into another Hydra. It develops into another Hydra. Later on, that daughter Hydra gets detached from the mother body and develops into new Hydra. That concept is budding. Now, next one is spore formation. Spore formation again we can see in very lower group, in lower kingdom, like in case of bacteria, that is Monera kingdom bacteria. Then in case of fungi, common among fungi like Rhizopus, bread mold. In fungi, what they do? They produce some spore, especially during unfavorable condition. They produce small spore, powder-like structure. Okay, small spores. Those spores they just fly off. Okay, and they go and fall in different places. As soon as those spores get favorable condition, actually they are covered with thick wall. They can withstand unfavorable condition. And as soon as they get favorable condition, those small spores, they can develop into new fungi of that kind. This is spore formation. The same concept of asexual reproduction in case of plants. In case of plants, we call it by one common name, vegetative propagation. Vegetative propagation. What is that vegetative propagation? Suppose there is a rose plant. If you want to have one more rose plant, cut the twig of that rose plant, cut the stem and put it in the soil, water it, it will develop into another plant. This is vegetative propagation. If you take a potato or onion, put it in the soil, water it, it starts sprouting and germinates into another plant. This is vegetative propagation. There is one plant called as bryophyllum. Very interesting plant. This plant give rise new plants at the notches of the leaf. At the notches of the leaf. The leaf will be slightly thick like this. So here the formation of new plant take place. So all these are example for vegetative propagation. The overall concept is giving birth to young one or the next generation from single plant is called as asexual reproduction.